Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to quickly move back to the top page without needing to scroll upward in iPhone or iPad. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone home screen. So let me open one application, say App Store. So let me scroll downwards. So I've scrolled downwards, right? So most probably what we used to do in order to move back to the top page, we used to scroll upwards like this, right? But here we are not going to use this method. So for this, on your respective iPhone or iPad, you can see time and the battery status or the cellular status bar on the top of the iPhone or iPad screen, right? Just tap once. I can see here it quickly moves back to the top page without needing to scroll upward. So now you might be thinking if this method gonna work on any other apps. So let us open the settings also and say let me scroll downwards. So I've scrolled downwards and let us tap on the top of the screen. Now you can see, let us try some more other applications like the Safari web browser. So let me scroll downwards and let me tap on the top of the screen. So you can see here. So by using these cool tricks, you can quickly move back to the top page without needing to scroll upward in iPhone or iPad very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.